Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I will introduce app. It's called TonKeeper Ton Wallet. Basically this is wallet app for storing, sending and receiving Ton coins. So you can download and install this app from Google Play Store and App Store. So you can see the rating of the app of an 8 out of 5, 18k reviews, 29 megabyte size of the app, and 5 million plus people already use this application. Like if you want to learn more about this app, then go here, then you can see multi wallets and all ton feature in one app, so you'll get available only one app. Unlimited wallets, then price chart for ton and token, so you'll see it's really easy to use, sign in securely on a subscription, and there are a lot of things here. So many people said it's really good app, 5-star rating all the time, so you can use this app. It's really easy. I will create more video how to use this, how to manage this app in upcoming tutorial. So okay friend, today's no and see you in the next video.